Uganda ababadde ku street ene bweru nga bekalakasa
bekalakasa bulijjo batawata
dulyo olukiiko lwansi yonna G7
kikulu I worked with the president
dina kumukasuke mazizo kankubuza kabule kisubu kino kakati omukwekalakasa ne babuuza munda abekalakasa ate kiki bayogedde ebigambo batte abannayuganda bali mu kkomera lwaki batugunya Bobi Wine mu wiiki eki emmotoka ne bagita nabo babatadde President Museveni yengo gwengo bomumanyi nnyo tali self-contained tasa kwetegerera forces from outside no kumutambuza
baba demonstrating this is the first time but is in the process because Bobi Wine is fighting for credibility for God. Bobi Wine tajanga kumbya bufuzi and I cannot rely on Bobi Wine, but I'm telling you that Museveni has given people like has changed the faces in the foreign affairs. He is doing everything. The army commander has left because he even sacked the commander of special forces, Mirundi. Why? Was it before or after the G8? Museveni responded. Museveni does not respond to pressure. Museveni knows what, because has been in power for a long time, has been with these Europeans. Where is a country that has hosted two American presidents? Where is a country that hosted two popes? Where is a country that has hosted the Queen? So, Museveni knows what he's doing. Museveni does not respond to pressure. Museveni does the things that he feels will happen. One, did Museveni tell these people to beat up, to detain people? I told you. Kandiho, Kandiko beat up my son, but Kandiko will pay. Kandiko Yakubo Mwana, Kubanga Nabagamba, Tikandiko, Italy intelligence, Yarimba Museveni, Neisu, Muavana Bagenda Koche Chibuga, Abanu, causing Abano Yamuse, Nizo Kuwait to Vazilia Kandiko Naduka, Nizo Kuba Kandiko to Vazilia, Kandiko Tuli Rabagan, Kandiko Tuli Rabagan, Nga government here would no what to come, take up and he cannot move outside. Kandiko directed the battering of my son, and I have recorded it. I didn't go the Museveni Bamuri. While you war, a Yagala to undermine him was. But taking so never take a more about to have a grown is Vijiba Kuavan. Katiava said about Kandiko, Barimba Museveni, Ntioa. But you could want to burn the city. Ngabano in your city. Or no could end you candy.
I know moon. You bomb one and I ain't Jamusa Sulian Barnaby. Candy? Can he kill me? Let you can hear me. Be a strong on body and Kuruku. I know when I will deal with the Candy. Candy will end up in a head in European jail. Massacre timber, yes, but directed the battering of my son, and I can assure you, he will end up in European jail. But Caterina, no, I cannot trust Musiva.
Need to have a switch up and what you're saying in the Batunia between Batunyalako, Okubira one. Because Kandiho told the president lies that the Noob was going to burn the city. Museveni told them, arrest them, let us carry out preemptive arrests. But don't torture them. What I'm telling you is simple. Museveni does not operate on pressure from the G8. What is important? Let me educate you.
Educate us.
What is important about the G7 is their strong stance on China. Biden told these people that China, we must deal with an emergence of a dictatorship by China, because China made a mistake. China is cropping up dictators. China, Equator said, how many donations have we got from China? China can build a building, for African Union, can build a gold for President's office. But how does the Chinese, when the Chinese construct dams, they inflate the figures. So the Chinese are seen as receivers. Two, The Chinese don't demand democratic credentials. They are cropping up dictators. This is how the G7 is countering China. I even wrote a book about that. I wrote a book about China, and I said Chinese stay in Africa is going to be short-lived. Why? Everything, apart from the Tanzania railway, everything that the Chinese are involving themselves in is ridden by corruption. And this is why worries the people, that if the Chinese take over our oil, we shall not benefit at all. The Chinese record in the development, they appear to be cheap, they are given projects in Africa, but they are very corrupt.
Okay, Mukulu Mirundi, do you believe that Bobi Wine